So Iris, well, a lot of people ask me that what can be a better alternative to variety. In better, I mean lower usage, lower memory usage. I guess variety uses Python, so it has some higher memory uses than it should be using, and that's why a person he's the same developer of Hydra. If you haven't checked the Hydra video, it will be in the description. So he has created another project called Iris, which is yet another fantastic project, and it's a very helpful project. And I use it as the default in Kalinix OS. So we know the guy, and he's an awesome developer. So Iris is a wallpaper manager. Now it's like variety. It fetches random wallpapers from Unsplash, and then sets them as your image, as your background image. So that's what it does. That's what is all about. And it's very customizable. It's cross-platform because it's written in Golang. So Go is cross-compilable, and it's completely open source. So I love free and open source software. So let's just get through the README. Iris is an easy to use. Yeah, features: cross-platform, customizable, easy to use, low memory overhead and CPU usage. Support for remote wallpapers as well as local wallpapers. Yeah, so it's support. You can even provide a wallpaper directory you want to use. So to avoid just uh, to um, to avoid getting unsplash wallpapers. Then change free and open source. Yeah, it's completely free and open source, and we have packaged it. We have actually packaged it for Kalinix repositories, so we can just install it from there. If you don't know how to get Kalinix repositories in your system, so just go to the GitHub Kalinix page. One second. Yeah, our organization. Then there is our de facto script. So yeah, de facto. So this is actually a repository that consists of a bunch of utility scripts which you can execute and which can help you at times. So in this util script, there are so many scripts. There are install Photoshop CC in Arch, install Illustrator on Arc, install MS Office in Arc, etc. etc. MS Office is 2010. You can take a look at it later. The link will be given in the description. Now here, get the Kalinix repositories.sh. To do this, um, just get the script, and you can just use call. You can just manually download it. So you can just fetch this repository. You can just download this. Go to raw and just download the file. But I guess you can. Yeah, you can just wget and run the script. So it's pretty simple. It's a simple script. You can even run these commands one by one. Well, not many commands are there. Just one line. This one. So I already have the Kalinix repository, so I won't run this script now because I don't need them. So if we go to our terminal, launch our terminal, and here we give yay Iris. We will just search for Iris. So Iris is here, Iris bin, and this is our Iris configuration of Kalinix. So we can ignore this. Iris binary file. Let's just download it then. Iris bin. We have got Iris loaded in our computer now, and then yeah, it's done. And then actually the person is now facing the JE exams who has made this, so he forgot to update the readme because of the Linux install. Now I will tell you how to do it. Well, I packaged it into a deb file for Debian, and that can be accessed in, I guess, I forked it actually, and I'm continuing its release part. So I'm continuing its releases. I'm managing its releases because he's currently having his exams. So I needed some things, and here, well, actually not even dev files. You don't need them. I have created an app image file. There is a binary, there is an app image. Image is like snaps or flat packs, so you can just go to this repository and grab your app image. So snaps and unlike snaps and flat packs, they don't have a native installer, so it's not easy. But you can just install app image launcher. App image, let's just search for app image with a, and here you will see app image launcher. So I've already installed it. So let's go to app image launcher. Yeah, app image launcher, and here we will just we can just right click the app image. Now suppose we download this, we download the app image here. Probably I will publish the Debian file here, but I didn't find any specific use for it because I had already, after all, given the app image, which is cross platform by itself. So this is the app image. So we can just right click, open with app image launcher, and integrate and run. So yeah, you can just go with integrate and run. So it will just create an application for you. For now we won't, because I already have iris installed. So I can just give iris and it will change my background. So you will see that it changed and stock. But how does this compare to variety then, who continuously changes wallpaper time to time? Well, that's not actually that. So we have to edit our configuration first. We go to the iris config. Okay, not nano. Nano is cursed. Let's go for vim, and that's what we will doing. And let's just zoom in a bit for your convenience. So search terms, this is the search terms your wallpaper, of how you want your wallpaper to be. I will keep it nature. I like nature. You can give it night, you can give it sky, etc, etc. You can specify the resolution here. Don't give inappropriate resolutions that are not standard. Give some tightly intact resolutions. Here's the part, change wallpaper. We will just do it true. So here we will just do it true. Okay, what happened? One second, let me fix this. Yeah, so it's true now. Now what else? So this is the change wallpaper direct duration. So if you make it 5 minutes, 5 m, then it will be changing every 5 minutes. Let's just make it 2 minutes. So because I don't want to wait 5 minutes to show you this, or maybe 1 minute. And then wallpaper directory we can specify, but I won't because I'm fetching wallpapers from Unsplash remote wallpapers. Then selection type random. Yeah, save wallpaper false, so it will even save your wallpapers if you try to try to make it true. And save wallpaper directory will be this. So I don't want that, I don't want that. So we'll just exit. Okay, and then we will rerun iris. One second. Yeah, iris, and you will see that the wallpaper will change now. Now let's see what iris actually takes, how much it consumes, memory and CPU. I guess we have to go down, down, down. You'll see it's very light. Yeah. So iris is rarely been seen. One second. Let me choose a stacer. Yeah. Let's just see stacer because it's more of it's arranges stuff more organizingly in GUI, so that you can see it properly. Let's see what iris takes. Yeah, iris is taking 13 memory. No, not even 30, 0.3% memory only. So that's very minimal, and that's very small actually. So that's the memory usage, and that's all. Quit. let's go. So this was about Iris. If you want it, you can just grab the app image, or you can grab the binary from the releases, the from my one. So take the fetch the releases from my fork. For that's what I will give in the description. I will divide it to two parts, where one will be for downloading, one will be for just seeing the project on how the person did. Or maybe I will just give direct links in the description. I will, you can just check the description. So I will you and see that. So the usage guide is completely given here, and I've been using this awesome project for so long months, and you see it, you saw that this automatically changed wallpapers. Yeah, so I've been using this for months, and this is an awesome tool, and I think this should definitely be on your computer. Well, it has some incompatibility issues. It doesn't work with Wayland, it doesn't work with XFCE, because for now it uses Fair as a backend. So if you are using tiling window manager, then it will definitely work for you. But else, if you are using some other desktop environment, um, I don't think it supports most desktop environments. Well, you can try KDE. Well, I guess it works on KDE, but that's fine. So this is basically a window manager focused thing. I guess XSC already has dynamic wallpapers. So yeah, this was it for this video, and thank you for watching, and check out Iris, and goodbye.